Hi everyone, I'm Holly Henderson, the new naturalist and outdoor educator for Upper Valley Land Trust. I'm out at My Walden today with Ginger Wallis from Cedar Circle Farm and Education Center. She's collecting seeds from native water avens and other plants to increase the availability of these plants for use by the public and for restoration efforts in our region.
Hi, I'm here by Water Avens here in this beautiful fen at My Walden, and I and also Bird and Bee Native Plants of Vermont have a grant project in which we've identified some target species, and we're collecting their seeds, we're drying them, cleaning them, storing them, and then many of the seeds will go into seed increase plots. The seedlings will plant them, and we'll recruit farmers to also do seed increase plots. We have stipends for them, and the hope is that these species will help with restoration, conservation efforts after natural disasters like flooding here in Vermont. It's been identified that no region of the country has enough native plants, seeds, for restoration after these natural disasters. So I came here earlier and I checked the population. I need to make sure there's a large enough population to collect from. I collect from no more than 10% of the seeds, but often it's only like 3%. I'm looking for genetic diversity. So for each species, so far I try to get 4 different sites in 4 different towns. And I collect them at the beginning of the season, middle of the season, end of the season. And so these ones would be at the end of the season. And what was amazing to me when I came and collected these earlier is in some of these, they're pretty small, but some of them had maybe like 80, 100 seeds in them, like incredible packaging, Mother Nature's packaging. And a lot of times I'll just take the seed head off. Oops, you can start to see a bunch of seeds there. And that's only part of like what's in here. Just amazing. What's really fun is there's little sundews here, little carnivorous plants underneath the water avens leaves. There's sticky little hairs to catch insects. Some of the other species that I'm looking for that I haven't found enough sites for are, I need another site for clammy ground cherry. I need sites for woodland sunflower, twin-petaled sunflower, narrow-leaved fireweed, and let's see, I need one more for Virginia waterleaf, but it can't be in New Hampshire because it's rare in New Hampshire, so it can be in Vermont. And I need one more for white meadowsweet. So I'm on the lookout for landowners who will give me permission to collect in populations that are at least 50 plants or more. You know, some places there have been like 350 or 500 of the plants that I'm looking for, which is so exciting. So there's a bottleneck in the supply chain for our native seeds. And so some of these will be collected and used for gardeners, nurseries, so that we can grow them to support our native pollinators. But some will be put into seed increase plots. We'll grow them out, and then those plots will produce seeds over and over again, so we don't have to collect from our wild populations. There's no region in this country that has enough native seeds for restoration after flooding, wildfires, and so part of our efforts is to increase that supply of those native seeds that we can use in our riparian areas by our rivers and ponds and stuff that get flooded.